So I'm in my camper. It's nice and dark, and I need to wake up and go to the bathroom. So I press the button and my little light comes on, and hold my finger on it, then dim it down or brighten it up. I can change the hue, bright, dim, or I can switch the button at the bottom and I've got a backlight. And what I love about this backlight is the fact that it doesn't have direct light coming out this way. So my husband, if you didn't realize it, I'm laying on a bed here. My husband, who would be on the other side of this bed over here, is not getting any direct light right in his eyes. It's all coming out sideways. So when I need to get out of bed in the middle of the night, I don't have to disturb my husband. Obviously, I don't need both of them on at the same time, but I don't need to disturb my husband. I can see where I'm going. And if I don't want to use that one, I can use the little one. Turn the big one off. It's just a switch at the bottom. And this one is enough for me to see where I'm going without him being disturbed. Now, this also has a USB output, so I can read my tablet and charge it, or have my phone and charge it, which is really cool. This flexible arm goes anywhere you need to put it. Whoops, there we go. Anywhere. You twist it and it stays there. It has 3 different lighting modes. Let's turn this one off and go back here. We've got we turn down and up, and that's just by putting my finger on the button and holding it on to dim it, and then take your finger off, put it back on to brighten it. Quick hit, and I've got a different mode, a different hue. Hold my finger on, brighten. Hold my finger on. And we've got the next hue. To brighten and dim. So this is really cool, because when you're done with it, just put it up against the wall and it's out of the way. Let me sit up here. It was easy to install. The back bracket, let me see what I did with the instructions. Oh, there. So there's a bracket in the back. You put the bracket onto the wall with a couple screws, then you put the clock over it and put a couple screws in the clock through to the bracket. So you're talking 4 screws, over and done with. I love the fact that the light is around it and not right out the front. Like I said, I was looking for something that I could use in an enclosed space for myself without disturbing my husband. And if I come back here to the other side of the bed, you can see that even with the backlight on, the light is the majority of the light is centered to my side of the bed and not coming back here. Now when I'm using just the flexible wand, then it's even better, and I can just aim it to where I need to go and not disturb my husband at all during the night. So lovely nightside table. The fact that I can charge something in it is a bonus, and this is perfect for my camper.